Hi, guys. Can you figure out what day it is? You keep scratching up my dining room table. You're never going to get another box. Yeah. This is Missy's monthly subscription. All right. Yes, I'm opening it right now. Yes, I'm opening it right now. All right. Get down. Get down. Okay, here's our card for this month. Get down! Lord. The Knights of the Round Table. Down. Aw, look at this dragon. Isn't he cute? He's got crinkly ears. All right, just a minute. Let me take his tag off. All right, there you go. Sorry about the phone ringing.
Call from Mr. Cooper.
Mr. Cooper. Okay.
Call from Mr. Cooper.
All right, these are by Le Petit Treat. They are peanut butter and apple pate treats. All right. Get off the table. I'll give you a treaty. Yes. Yes. Well, it doesn't feel like pate. It's hard. It's peanut butter and apples. You like that. Get down. I'll show your next toy if you get down. Okay. All the treats we get from BarkBox are made in America and grain-free because she has allergies. Oh, so the princess, the fur-haired maiden. There she is. Yes, miss. Yes, miss. Yes, miss. Okay. I feel something in there. Just a minute. I feel something in there, but it's not squeaking. All right. Lord have mercy. All right. The next one is by Bixby, and it's Pocket Trainers, training treats for dogs, bacon flavor. She should like that. What dog doesn't like bacon? So, they don't smell bad. Oh, these are nice and small. Yay. Here's one. I'll just pick up one. They almost look like a little slice of bread. You want to come get another treat, baby? Come get another treat? Come on. Come on. Whoa. All right. Okay. Come here. You're going to sit up. Down. Down. So sit up. Come here. You got to. People got to be able to see you. Sit up. Oh, you silly goose. Okay. Shake Mama's hand. Shake Mama's hand. Mama's other hand. Good. Okay. Sit over here a little bit where people can see you. Okay. Whoops. I'm just trying to move you a little bit. Okay. Sit. 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 Okay. Sit up. Sit up. Oh, come on. Good. There you go. And one more. Good job. Okay, go play with your toys. Go play with your toys. All gone. All gone. Go on, go play with your toys. And there is always a chew in here, which I don't usually give her because they're hard and they splinter. This one is, Etta says, Dear Recipe. Premium, crunchy, 7-inch. I don't give her these. Get down. You want another treat? Okay. All right. These hearts are going to be too big for her, so I'm going to have to break them in 3 or 4. Good. One more. Oh. Good. Okay, so we got flavors that are not too bad. Not bad for Mama this month. The peanut butter smells like a peanut butter cookie, sort of. And the bacon ones don't smell too bad. Down. Down. All right, I'll give you one more of these and no more treats. Okay, say bye, everybody. All right, and just quickly show you the paper because it's always cool. It's all Middle East Times, and it says the tale of Missy. Missy, oh, it's like a what do you call a Mad Libs, where you fill in the blanks with an adjective or a noun. That's cute. That's cute. No more, honey. It's all gone. Look. It's all gone. No more. No more stuffs. And the cartoon inside says, it's 2 dogs facing each other at a party. One says, I'm bad with names and faces, but I never forget a butthole. Dog humor. Excuse me. All right. Take care. Be well. And always be yourself, even when your dog is a crazy loon. Bye.